Today I'm going to go over the benefits and features of Kingbolen's Ediag Elite OBD2 Bluetooth Diagnostic Scan Tool. This small scan tool is great for helping you to diagnose issues with your vehicle when an engine code appears. It also allows you to check the health of your vehicle, allowing you to better determine if maintenance is needed before an issue occurs. Finally, it has over 15 different maintenance resets available, so no more having to take your vehicle to the dealership to reset your change oil light, or having to find the secret code for that same reset. This is great for DIYers performing their own vehicle maintenance. Finally, this is a bidirectional scanner, which means you can not only view data that you receive from scanning the vehicle's ECU, but you can also send commands to the ECU as well. This allows you to perform live testing on your vehicle, which helps to locate problems faster, saving valuable time. I will have a link to this product in the video description. First, let's take a look at the product itself and what it comes with. The product comes in a small box. Upon opening the box, you will see a small zippered carrying case. Unzip the case to reveal the scan tool. Underneath the case are two manuals that have been written in 4 different languages. The scan tool looks and feels like a well-made quality product. Before installing the scan tool in your car, you need to install and set up the app that will allow you to use the scan tool. To download the app, open the manual, and on the first page under Step 1 will be a QR code that you can scan to get the app. The app will work for both Android and iOS phones. After you've downloaded the app, you're given the choice to log into the app by either registering an account or logging in with a verification code. The main difference is if you log in with a verification code, each time you log in, you will enter your email address, a code will be sent to your email, and you will then enter that code to access the app. By registering, you will enter your email and password to access the app each time. I felt registering was the best option. Now that we have the app on our phone and have registered a new account, let's link the scan tool to the app. To do this, click on the first box, All Systems Diagnostics. A box will pop up stating that the scan tool is not active. Click the Activate button. On the activation screen, you can either enter the scan tool's serial number and activation code manually, or you can scan the QR code on the manual's cover. Once this information has been filled in, click on Activate. This will bind the scan tool to the app. With the scan tool setup completed, you can begin using the device. Plug the scan tool into your car's OBD2 port. For most cars, this is located under the steering wheel. On the app, click on the Bluetooth icon, located in the top right corner of the app. This will begin the Bluetooth pairing process. Make sure that you have your phone's Bluetooth turned on. When the Bluetooth pairing is completed, the scan tool is ready to read your vehicle's ECU. The large box at the top of the app is the main function of the scan tool. It's the diagnostics function. Click on the box to begin scanning the vehicle for fault codes. Since the device works on a large number of vehicles, you'll need to use the correct software for your vehicle. To find the correct software, you can allow the app to scan for your VIN automatically, you can enter your VIN manually, or you can search through the large list of vehicle brands. I chose to use the automatic search feature by clicking on the large VIN scan button, which filled in my VIN quickly. After the VIN was found, the app pulled up the correct software for my 2022 Hyundai Elantra N. Once you click on your vehicle, the software will download automatically. This process will take just a few seconds to complete. After the software has downloaded, you can scan the car by clicking on Health Report. Make sure your vehicle is on before beginning the scan. You will hear the scan tool reading out its findings.
ECM, engine control, DCT, double clutch ABS, anti-lock braking system, SRS, supplemental SRS, SRS, supplemental BCM, body control BCM, body control module, BCM, body control module, integrate BCM, body control module, BCM, body control module, BCM, body control module, BCM, body control BCM, body control module, MFS, multifunction, BCM, body control BCM, body control module, seat heater ventilation control, BCM, body control module.
Once the device has completed its scan, it will list each item that has been scanned. To see the fault codes, click on the Fault Report button at the bottom of the screen. From this screen, you can click on each item that generated a fault code and get a description of the fault. If you want to troubleshoot the cause of the code, you can click on the question mark icon to search the internet for possible solutions to fix the issue. At the bottom of the fault screen is a button that says Reports. This button allows you to generate a report that you can take to a mechanic or dealership if needed. This report can be converted to a PDF for easier printing or emailing. If you know what the cause of the fault is and have corrected the issue, you can click on Clear DTC button to clear the code or codes. After clearing the codes, another scan will be performed to make sure the codes are no longer present. The other type of maintenance scan option is under Systems Selection. This allows you to scan a specific module such as the transmission or ABS module. By clicking on one of the specific modules, you can view more information on that specific module and perform certain tests. The Actuation Test feature allows you to test whether or not a module is working properly. The Read Data stream allows you to view live data of the vehicle's module. You can view the data in graph form. Finally, you can save the data as a report. The next main function of the scanner is to allow you to reset maintenance lights or gauges. This is helpful when performing normal maintenance yourself, or if a dealer forgets to perform a reset, you can perform the reset yourself and save a trip back to the dealership. These reset features are not automatically stored in the app, so you'll need to download which reset you would like to perform on your vehicle. After the particular maintenance reset feature has been downloaded, you'll need to find your vehicle's manufacturer and click Confirm to proceed with the reset. There are over 15 service resets available with this device, all of which are free to download and use. After the main two functions of the device, there are a few other functions in the app. They are OBD function, Vehicle Coverage Inquiry, Reports, and History. The OBD function allows you to diagnose certain vehicles not supported by the scanner. The other functions allow you to retrieve reports you've generated and history of past diagnoses for your vehicle or vehicles. My final thoughts on this product. I like the fact that there are no in-app purchases. You get free lifetime updates. The product will work with almost any vehicle. The app is easy to use, and the app works very quickly. I feel for the price that you're getting a solid product that will help you with your DIY maintenance of your vehicle or vehicles. So pick up your Elite Ediag scanner today by clicking on the link in the video description. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.